for today's new presentation. Newly purchased. With price update as of February 16, 2024 Friday. The Kawasaki Bajaj Dominar 400 UG2 is equipped 400cc, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder DOHC, DTSI engine with additional features of fully loaded factory-fitted accessories that will surely give the riders an adventurous and macho image. Cash price 208,900 pesos. Down payment 40,000 pesos. Monthly installment for 3 years 8,241 pesos. For 2 years 10,916 pesos. Rebate 500 pesos. Moto Trading Incorporated Kawasaki Crib AC Cortez Cambaro Branch Mandaue City Cebu.